Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to go over the Spyderco bug collection they have. So these would be the 8 knives in their collection that at least I found that are called the bug series. And the first one is going to be this little tiny guy here. It's going to be called the Spyderco bug, quite literally. Stainless steel with a 3CR 1.3 inch steel blade. Just a tiny little guy there. Pretty cool little knife. I like this one a lot. Almost unusable, but still kind of a cool little knife. The next one's going to be the HoneyBee. Again, stainless steel, 3CR steel, 1.6 inch blades, what I found this guy to be made of. Pretty cool little knife. You could actually probably use this one, put it in your pocket, walk around with it, put it on a keychain if you want. Both of those actually could be put on keychains. The next one we got is going to be the Grasshopper. Definitely a more usable size. You could do a keychain, put a lanyard on there if you wanted to. This one's going to be a 2.3 inch blade, and it's going to be 12C27 is what the steel says on it. Not too familiar with that one, but obviously probably one of the lesser steels. Then we move into the Ladybug. This one's got a 1.9 inch blade. It's got VG10 steel on this particular one. Not sure if they make a different version of this or not that's got different steel on it, but I think it does come in different colors for the FRN. So just a neat little knife, again, very pocketable, tiny little knife to use. Next one's going to be the Man Bug. This one is a 1.95 inch blade. This one happens to be in it's a sprint run micro melt PD #1 steel. Pretty cool knife. I like that black coating on there. Nice contrast with that kind of purple FRN that Spyderco uses. The next one we've got here is going to be one of my favorites, if not my favorite of the series, and that's going to be the McBee, the Spyderco McBee. And this is just a cool little knife. Titanium scales, just a super little knife. Very, very well done. This one's going to have 1.5 inch blade CTS XHP steel. Really cool little knife. Next one's going to be the Cricket. And this little guy is actually pretty sweet. It's got this kind of interesting blade on it. I'm not really sure what you'd call that kind of blade on that. But she did come sharp. She's VG10 and it's a 1.9 inch blade. Again, it's just really well done. This does come, I think, in a serrated version as well, but just a cool little knife on that one. And lastly, but not least, is the Dragonfly. And this happens to have a engraved dragonfly on it. This is a 2¼ inch blade. This one's VG10 as well. It is, again, a beautiful knife, well done. This one's also made in Japan. So these are the Bug series knives. They have quite a selection. Just wanted to give a quick overview of what those knives are. And if you want to see what all of them are, well, here they are compared size-wise and against each other. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to the channel. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.